Hello, everybody. My name is Brendan Willis, and this is my senior project for the Freight Operations Management System, or FOMS for short. Um, this week has gone a little bit better than previously. Let's move on here. So far, I believe I'm back on track, having put in 16 hours this week. I've made some great progress, trying to catch up on lost progress from last week, and in the in that process, I was able to get past some major hurdles I've been facing. So far, I've been working 69 hours with an estimated completion of 38. Last week's accomplishments, I guess that's kind of this week and last week because last week I didn't do much, but I finally got the admin, shipper, and driver pages working properly, as well as the database for the information displaying on them working congruently. That was really nice. And then I have a card on those pages to keep track of what is currently in the status of shipments and such. So there's like whether or not they've shipped or not, and I'll show that later. Um, Next week's goals, I want to the homepage be aware of logged in users, and as well as logout support and deletion confirmation for different shipments. As for Sped Talk Insights, this week there didn't seem to be any new ones, which is reminding me that I have to do mine. I will get on that, I promise. And as for challenges and blockers, this week it's just been getting to work. I did spend more time on it, but just getting to work seemed a little bit more of a slog this week. I've made some plans and adjustments to my schedule daily, and it seems to be working so far. Um, and there don't seem to be any issues with what I'm working on right now. I just wanted to thank my professor. Thank you for your wisdom and the amount of time I should spend on my project. I found that quite insightful. And now it's time for a demo. Those are some demo charges. Um, Let us look at this is my homepage. So I've changed up a little bit. Our placeholders are gone, and now I have all this stuff describing what is going on, how it works, and such. So right now, I don't know who I'm logged in as, so I'm just gonna hit shipper. Okay, I'm not. I am logged in as shipper. Okay, good. So here we have our total shipments created, assignments, or assigned, number in transit, delivered. Well, we have some stuff here. I've added a status, update status button, as well as saving and deleting. Let's look at some of these statuses. Right. Let's see. Oh, we have an error, a missing string for destination 404. Well, that doesn't belong here, so I'm going to delete it. And I've refreshed my browser and it is properly, it is working. Um, Now here I have some created shipments. Well, I want to assign them. I'm not going to assign anything specific, so I'll just give them the assigned option. And we will remember that our Seattle, Washington shipment to Aspen, Colorado, it is not assigned. So actually, I need to save this. My mistake. Okay, they are assigned. So now, if we go over to our driver, I'm gonna have to log in as a driver real quick. Let's see. Okay. So now the Washington shipment is not available because only the shipper can control that. And so now we see all these things that are assigned. Okay, well, now we're gonna say, oh, okay, this is in transit. Okay, well, Nashville Walmart warehouse, the Flagstaff Arizona warehouse. Okay, I want that in transit. The downtown to home one is in transit. Okay, this one, I believe that one's already done. So we're gonna say that's delivered. Actually, that was a bit of a mistake. So now that it's delivered, it's gone. And so now we can go to our admin. We have to log in as the admin real quick. All right, so here we go. Here's our Seattle, Washington one, which was created but never assigned, and our current shipments that are in transit. And then we have our delivered shipment form from Gettysburg to Provo. So now here we can manipulate the status of each of them. We can save them and or delete them. Since this one is deleted or is delivered, I'm just going to delete it. We don't really need it anymore. If I was a real company, I would keep that somewhere else, but I don't need to keep that right now. And I got a notification saying there was an error in the transit, saying that it was already there, so it's delivered. And now our little card up here has changed from a 0 to a 1 for delivered and other things. And that is what I've gotten working this week. It is all working much nicer, it looks nicer, and I'm gonna start doing some more polishing and other things in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this interesting, and have a good one. Bye bye.